Hi, and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be changing the battery in a behind-the-ear device. This hearing device takes a size 13 battery. They typically have orange on the packaging. There are other sizes for different sizes of hearing devices. This is a size 312 that typically has brown on the packaging. There are also size 10, which have yellow packaging, and size 675, which have blue on their packaging. Most of your hearing aid batteries will come in a pack similar to this, with anywhere from 4 to 8 batteries per pack and some type of dispensing mechanism. There is a separate video in our channel about the parts of the hearing aid, but briefly, this style is called a receiver in the canal. Most of the electronics are in the beige portion that sits behind the top of the ear. The battery door is down at the base of the device. There is a little notch there right along at the end of the spine of the device that you can use either your finger or fingernail to pry open. The door itself is like a little cup, and that's where we're going to place the battery in just a moment. An important thing to know is that these batteries are activated by air. So when you peel the sticker off of the battery, it starts to activate the battery. For the best battery life, you want to leave those batteries out in the air for 5 minutes after you peel the sticker off. At least 1 minute is necessary, though, for activation of the battery. There is a smooth, shiny side of the battery, and if you flip it over, there is a raised button side as well. That button side is what's going to go down into the battery door. So holding the hearing aid and making sure that that battery door is still held nice and open, we're going to turn our battery upside down so that that raised side of the battery is facing down, and slide it in just right from the top of that battery door. Give it a little press and make sure it's sitting nice and flush in the door itself. Then you can give that door a little push. You should hear a little snap that lets you know it's completely closed. Anytime that door is closed, that hearing aid is turned on. If the door is open, the hearing aid is turned off. There are some other tools that you can use to get your batteries in and out. Depending on your dexterity, they may be helpful. Again, we're going to pull on that little catch there of the battery door and open that door fully. The tool here to the right is a combination cleaning tool. It's got a brush, a little wire loop on one end, and then a magnet on one end as well. Your tool may look a little bit different, and this is just a plain old stick with a magnet on the end. We're going to use that magnet to remove this battery from the hearing aid. You can see it just pulls it nice and easily right out of the door. You can also use that to place the battery in, slide the little magnet to the side, and the battery should be pretty flush with the door. So just a quick review, this time using the combination cleaning tool. We'll hold the hearing aid with the battery door fully open, pick up that battery with the magnet on the end, slide it in from the top of the battery door with the button side of the battery facing down, and you may want to give the battery a little tap at the end to make sure it's sitting nice and flush with the battery door. Close that door up, and the hearing aid is turning on and ready to go. As always, if you have any questions about your particular style of hearing aid, your battery size, or if you need an in-person review of these procedures, just give the office a call and we're happy to help you out. Have a great day!